So we got the motherboard in for TV repair video that we're going to be doing, and I want to do an unboxing of this just to see what shape it's in, because when you buy a new LED driver board, which is basically a computer motherboard and stuff, and it comes in an envelope, that's not good, because it can get bent, it can get damaged, it can get broke, stuff can get knocked off the board. This is #1 way you do not ship a motherboard. Now, this was bought off eBay because these is hard to find, and they ain't many on though. So yeah, let's just open it up and see what we got. Take a look at it. You've got fragile on it, but that never does work. Anybody that ships a lot knows fragile on it just makes them handle the package a little worse. Is in another envelope. That's a little bit better. So if you wanted to ship like this, the best method would be a big piece of thick cardboard on this side and cut the shape so it don't get bent. But don't ship motherboards like this. Well, he's got it on the inside. Still not big enough to cover the whole envelope. It's in a good wrapper here, that's a good thing. It's in a static bag. Okay, it's another box. I mean, it still needed more. He's got it all what it is. See the price of it. Shipping was $10. Letters, and here's the board. Now, the board that I got in the TV that we will be doing the repair on has a couple MOSFETs that is bad, so I'm hoping the new driver board will fix it. This one looks like it's made it here without any bends, any damage, nothing's missing. So we got very lucky. I mean, it was shipped somewhat correctly, but these little boxes, you need to do the whole envelope, and more than just a thin box like this. You need, if you're using these thin boxes, you need to stack them a bit thicker, because this impact will just bend these. About 3 or 4 of them together, when they're this thin, it keeps them from bending. But I would much prefer this in maybe, you know, a little box, a custom box or something, than an envelope. But, you know, everybody ships different. It looks okay. Now, I might test all these MOSFETs before I install it. But that video's coming up. I give this a good cleaning with alcohol and water. And the other board, we might repair it, because all it needs is some of those. And you can always resort the new ones on. So hopefully that fixes the TV. If not, we'll have to dive deeper in onto it. But I'm pretty sure it's a driver board. If you ain't seen that video, then I'll link it in the description below. If your TV giving you issues, then maybe you wanted to watch that video too. So hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, be sure to like and comment. I enjoy hearing from everybody. And if you're new, get subscribed. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for watching. Hopefully we get this fixed soon.